The time is 2:23, the 9th of February 2019. I just finished cooking. It's simmering right now. It's a ground beef with potatoes and onions. I seasoned it well, and I added chicken broth. But anyway, I want to show you outside of my window. This is actually not a window. It's more like a glass wall because it does not open. I was going to open my door, but there's snow, about 5.5, 6 inches of snow. As you can see right there is my patio chair, and I'm just gonna pan it from right to left. It's actually very beautiful. I've never seen outside of my window like this, and I have never really described it as the way I'm describing it right now. It's stunningly beautiful. So this is not my entrance to my unit. I'm on the 3rd floor. My door to my unit is located in the hallway, so I don't have any glass window where I can see through, because there's nothing to look at. It's just again, it's just the hallway. But anyway, so that's over 24 hours of accumulation. The snow must have stopped. It must have let up 6 o'clock in the morning. You know, I was in bed until after 1. So there it is. That's this area is my shared patio. Right there, the sun is out, and yeah, and some areas I'm pretty sure it's more than 6 inches of accumulation, because we're very close to sea level here. Right there, again, I've never seen this area as beautiful as this is. You know, it was the 2nd snowstorm yesterday, and there's supposed to be a few more next week. So there it is. I was gonna step outside, but I don't know how I'd be able to open this door to the patio, since there's no, I guess I could, but even without opening the door, I can, you know, I can show you the outside. All right, that's it for now.